Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto E22, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open the notification panel, and just to add here some icons or remove some of them, or just to change their positions, we should click to this edit icon. Then scroll down, and here in this down section you should find a couple of different invisible icons. To add them to our notification panel, we should just hold the icon and just drag it here to this subsection. By the same way, we can add here all of the icons if you want. If you want to remove some of them from here, for example the night light, let's just hold it and drag it here to this down section. And to change their positions, we should by the same way hold and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. Just then, to save all the changes, we should click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.